Magwo-work kaya ang proposal ng Department of Education na trimester system para sa kinder to grade 12? Currently, nag-i-implement ang mga eskwelahan ng 4-quarter system sa isang school year. Kung magiging trimester next school year, mahahati ito into 3 terms. At kada term, may instructional block for quality teaching and learning time at enrichment block for remediation, grade computation, at checking of school forms. Sabi ng DepEd, pinopropose nila to para mas mahaba yung learning time ng mga estudyante at mabawasan ng administrative tasks ng teachers. Kaya lang, may concerns ang teachers groups. Sabi ng Alliance of Concerned Teachers o ACT, hindi lab rats ang mga guro at estudyante. Tanong ng ACT, paano mababawasan yung workload nila sa trimester system kung sobrang hirap daw silang pagkasyahin ito sa loob ng 4 na quarters? Sabi rin nila, hindi academic calendar ang ugat ng education crisis. Hindi rin daw ma-address ng proposal yung mga issue sa education sector tulad ng kakulangan ng classroom at mababang sahod ng teachers. Para sa ACT at sa Teachers Dignity Coalition, sana nagkaroon muna ng consultation with teachers and other stakeholders bago in-announce yung proposal. After all, sila naman yung apektado sakaling baguhin nga yung sistema. Nilinaw ng DepEd na meron naman daw. Nagsimula sila ng consultation late January at ongoing ito. So far, hindi pa nito nakakausap yung dalawang grupo. To repeat, proposal pa lang ang trimester system at wala pang final decision tungkol dito. Pero tingin mo, mas okay ba o hindi kung i-implement to? Share your thoughts sa Rappler app.